I love the look of this modern, sleek, very large dresser that we were gifted from the brand, so I'm going to tell you everything you're going to want to know about it. So we have this dresser here in our living room. I really love the black modern design of it. So it is made of this high quality laminate, and I will say that it does get quite a bit of fingerprints on it, but it is easy to wipe, but you can just see how big and spacious it is. I love that it has this built-in charging station, so it does have 2 AC outlets along with 2 USB ports. I absolutely love that it has this open shelving right here, so I can decorate it with different decor books, but you can just see how spacious it is. It does have 6 large drawers, and the really cool thing about these drawers is that they are divided into sections, so it's almost like you have 12 drawers. As you can see right here, it is perfect for being able to hide like our baby wipes and diapers. And then here is a comparison of what a drawer looks like without it being filled. So it is decent size. Down here at the bottom, you can see this black base is just to provide and give more support, but it totally is optional. One really cool thing about this dresser is that it does come with the RGB LED lighting strip, and so you can see that I'm controlling it there with just a simple button, but you can see the different colors as well as different variety of patterns. Here it is in a darker setting. You can see how vibrant it is, so you know it's going to be really bright at night. And then the really cool thing is you have 60,000 light options, controlling it all from an app. Now let's talk about the install. When my husband opened the box, 2 things stuck out. There were no strange odors coming from it. The packaging was nice and clean. There's very limited styrofoam, so cleanup was pretty easy. The product was pretty simple and straightforward to assemble. Overall, it took about 2 hours, and it came with all the hardware needed, but my husband did need his own screwdriver and drill to put it together. Anyways, I think this is a really nice dresser, and I really love how versatile it is and that it can go in a variety of different settings. So if you're looking for one, I recommend this one.